Hi friends, welcome everyone to Share Market 100 YouTube channel. We are going to discuss about the important topic that is dividend. In this video, we are going to see three things. What is dividend? Why company is paying dividend and why company is not paying dividend? And what is the benefit for the shareholders? Let's see the first point. What is dividend? A portion of the profit will be distributed to the shareholders in the form of the dividend. That is called dividend. For example, when you deposit your money in fixed deposit, you will get the return in the form of interest. Likewise, when you invest the money in shares, you will get the return in the form of dividend. Please note that it is not mandatory for a company to pay the dividend to the shareholders. Why company is paying dividend? For example, company X has earned huge profit in the particular year and there is no scope of expanding their business. In that time, the company X will distribute a portion of the profit to the shareholders as dividend. Now we will see why company is not paying the dividend to the shareholders. Take example of company Y. This company also earned very good profit, but still they didn't declare the dividend to the shareholders. Why? Because the company Y has lot of opportunity to expand their business. When they expand their business, the revenue will go up. Simultaneously, the profit also will increase, which will automatically increase the share price of the company. This is called growth oriented company. The second reason for not paying the dividend is when a company is running into loss. If a company is running into loss, they will not have enough money to make the payment for the dividend. Let's see the third point. What is the benefit for the shareholders? For example, you have invested in ITC during March 2020 when the share price was at rupees 130. You are a long-term investor. Assume that after 5 years, share price of the ITC will touch rupees 260 and you are getting the dividend of rupees 5 each year. At the end of the 5 years, you will receive the dividend of rupees 25 and the share price also will get doubled. You can reinvest the dividend in ITC again or you can invest in some other company. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.